Hi, this is Dina for Splitcoaststampers. This week's color wheel tutorial includes a printable sheet that I hope will be helpful for your creative reference. So print out a copy, pull out a rainbow of colors in your favorite medium, and I'll show you how to use this reference guide. I wanted to talk really quickly about the reference guide that's on the tutorial page. This is a blank sheet that has all of the different color combinations that are mentioned on the photo tutorial. And what you can do with this is pick a key color and fill out the chart with all of the combinations that go with that key color. And I've done this here with yellow, and all I've just done is used a Copic marker and made a little dot in each of the sections, and I've got each section marked for you, so it's very easy to put your marks in. And once you're done coloring it in, you've got a reference sheet that you can reuse for all of these color combinations on your projects. So I've got a blank chart here, and I want to choose some colors for the desert scene, so I'm going to start with orange and see where my color combinations go from there. Since orange is the key color in all of these combinations, I can go ahead and fill that section in on every little wheel. And then I've got my colors in order here, and so I can just go around the wheel, and I don't even have to think because the slots are already marked for me. So the one to the right of the orange is the yellow orange. And I just mark wherever I see that next spot with a dot. Okay, there's one. To yellow. So yellow has one space in between. So you can see that whole thing. There we go. If you could see my desk and all the things that are shoved to the sides, you would just know how much alike we are, probably, right? There. Okay, and then just to give my wrist a break, I'll give that a quarter turn. Move to green. There's a green. Two greens. Blue is the complement of orange, so that one is going to be directly across, straight down. And that's it. So easy as that. In just a few minutes, I have 19 different color combinations that have orange as the key color. So I'm going to choose one of these and color up my image and have a completed project that has a harmonious color combination. So here's my finished card. I decided to use a rectangular tetrad color harmony. So that pairs orange and blue with yellow and violet. And I've listed the watercolors I used here to the right. Mixing some of those colors actually gave me those light olives and browns that you see, which are great for balancing colors without adding more in. And then I used an orange tone for the matte layer to pull it together. So I hope this reference guide can be helpful for you. Feel free to print it out as many times as you like to fill in different key colors and different mediums, whatever your needs are for reference. If you use one of the combinations here, check the tutorial page for the keyword, and you can use that whenever you upload to the gallery, and your card will show up with other cards using the same type of color harmony. Thank you so much for watching.